explain to you how to use Python on your phone. If you want to use Python, you can go to Play Store. I will show you the app to use it completely free. Then I'll show you how you can install it so that you don't see ads. You go and open a code editor. So this app, this one is the free version on Play Store. It's a free and open source software. So once you install it, you can now use it. Though there is the paid version. This is the paid version. But you don't need to install the paid version from this place. In order to install this paid version, the owner of the project actually he uploaded it on a platform called F-droid. If you don't want to install a F-droid, you can just use it from here and then come under this extensions folder. You search for Python as an extension, then you select this first one and install Python. You wait for it to load completely. Now as you can see, this one at the lower part of my app, it is showing ads, and I don't like ads on my phone. I don't know if I'm the only one that doesn't like it. So there's a full page ad. Okay, let's close it and open the app again. Okay, it is open now. So to open a folder, you click here, add a storage, or you can come here and select folder. Let's create a new folder called Learn Python. Then we use this folder, allow. Click on OK. So that's the problem with this app. I don't like ads, and that's, I think, the reason it got very poor rating, but it's a very good app. You can use it for a lot of things. Okay, let me close the app and open it again. So I can now create a new folder by clicking at the top right, create a new file, and then let me see, print. So change the keyword. Name.py. Save it and see print. Hello world. Close it. So I can create a user input. Then receive an input. Hello. Is your name? So once I've entered the input, then I can now print using format string. Okay. You are welcome to coding on Android. Okay, so we enter a curly brace and then enter this user input. We're going to enter this variable here now. User input. Save. Select folder. Save. Oh no, I've been working on the wrong file. Paste it here. As you can see, it has a pretty printing, so it shows you which one is a variable, which one is a function, and all the rest like that. So it's very good. Then I can just click here and run it. So it shows me, hello world, hello, what is your name? My name is Tosin. You're welcome to coding on Android, Tosin. Oops, I should have added maybe like a comma here and saving it. So you can use this app to write Python, you can use it to write JavaScript. I've used it for these two purposes. But if you want to install the one without ads, you have to come to open a browser and then search for F-droid. F-droid. So you go to F-droid website, then download this F-droid. I've downloaded it before, so I don't need to download it again. But just for the sake of this tutorial, let's download it again. So I download it. So when you're done downloading it, then you can go to your files, open it, and then install. You can install using, it should pretty much go if you don't have a software like Termux. And you have to enable the app to install from this source. You install the app and then it's going to install. This is the app. I've opened it and I've loaded all the repositories. So you can just search for a code here, a code editor, and then from here you install it. It is completely free here, and once you open it, you will be able to access whatever feature that you need without ads. And the project is open source. If you want to change anything, you can use it to change. When I was in the Polytechnic, I used this software to write my entire project. So you can write some pretty interesting codes with it. I used it to code on my free time. Like this was just a code I wrote to get unique items in a dictionary and then append them to the list. I just have to create an empty list and then go through each of the items in the dictionary. So if the value does not exist in this list, I will append it so it creates a unique element of all the items in a list. So this is an example of a list of a dictionary that I want to create unique items. So once I run the code, you see it runs. It's the same way you come here under the extensions and then you install Python. So that's all. If you want to support the project, you can just search for a code on GitHub. So here is the open source. So you can view the code, and if there are changes you want to make, you can also make those changes. This is the source code. This is the readme file, everything that it can do, and other stuff. So you can build the project from the source code for yourself. So that's it. Thank you very much. God bless you.